Hey traders, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're talking day trading, but more specifically, we're talking about gap trading and why it's the most consistent and profitable day trading strategy you can find across the markets today. In this video, I'm going to show you one example of a super quick trade from this morning, a trade that was given out to my traders at 9 o'clock in the morning, 30 minutes before the market even opened for business. Before we go over the trade in detail, let's discuss exactly what gap trading is. Traders need opportunity. When we're looking for opportunity, we need stocks that are moving at the opening bell. That creates the opportunity. Gap trading is when stocks are gapping higher or lower at the open. The traders that can identify a specific price where these stocks will first be drawn to like a magnet and then have a price reaction from in the other direction, those are the traders that seize on the opportunities. In my course at LazyGapTrader.com, traders learn everything they need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully. Which stocks does this work the best with? What are the specific criteria that we're looking for each and every day? Like, how much volume are we looking for? How much of a gap higher or lower are we looking for? Where exactly do the highest probability trades exist? And most importantly, how do you calculate the specific price where these stocks will be drawn to like a magnet and then have that price reaction from in the other direction? All this and a whole lot more is taught in the course at LazyGapTrader.com. It's everything traders need to know in order to trade the gap successfully each and every day. The second thing I do is give traders an opportunity to get my gap trade sent to them each and every morning at 9 o'clock a.m. Eastern Standard Time, 30 minutes before the opening bell even rings. Here's a copy of today's email. As you can see, it arrived on the button at 9 o'clock in the morning. Today we had 5 potential morning gap trade opportunities on the board. So far, one hit its level, there's another one that's close, but we'll focus on the one that already hit, which is NetApp, NTAP. Gap lower, support levels are $53.21, $51.78, and $50.35. Stop and profit target is about 35 to 65 cents. This is a minimum profit target. Why are there 3 specific and separate support levels on this stock or any of the stocks that I show? Because they're separate and apart trades from each other. The 53.21 is its own trade. If the stock comes to 53.21 and bounces and gives us the profit, that's fine. That trade is over. But later on in the session, we may see the 51.78 or even the 50.35. This happens. It happens more than you would think. We get multiple trades on the same stock quite a bit. Let's take a look at more detail of what happened on NTAP. So the stock closed yesterday at $60.62. The stock was getting creamed at the open, creating the opportunity that we're looking for. So the stock's trading significantly lower. Half an hour before the opening bell rings, traders know that the first support level is going to be $53.21 for a scalp trade. This may turn into a longer-term day trade, but at minimum, we're looking to get a scalp trade. Now keep in mind, this is the same price level that any trader that's taken the course at Lazy Gap Trader is able to calculate on their own. You can do this each and every day. So what happened? In the 3rd minute of the day, the stock hits, making a low of $53.16, well within the stop loss limitation just by a nickel. And in the 4th minute of the day, we're already at a high of $53.86, which represents the upper end of the minimum profit target. Just a refresher from the morning email, the minimum profit target is about 35 to 65 cents. We got exactly 65 cents. How do we know this? Come over to LazyGapTrader.com. You can learn everything there is to know and you need to know in order to trade the gaps successfully each and every day. Now we're back on a 10-minute chart, and even though the first trade happened lickety-split and was over, we had the profit in our pocket, you can see the importance of this support level to this stock. As I make this video, the stock is already trading over $54 a share, and that's after coming very close to the second support level that would have produced the second trade. This goes to show you the power of the support levels on these stocks. You can learn how to do this each and every day for the remainder of your trading career. What this does is it teaches you the why behind this strategy. Once traders learn the why behind the reason this works, it gives them an entirely different outlook when taking these trades. It removes a lot of the guesswork away from trading. That's one of the pitfalls that day traders have, is they find themselves guessing on entry prices on these stocks. I remove the guesswork away from our entry prices. Once you remove the guesswork and you add back in confidence because you have a certain expectation of what's going to and should happen at these support levels, it gives you an added confidence when trading these stocks. Remove the guesswork, add back in confidence, and you change your day trading forever. You can learn how to do this each and every day. I'm David Frost, Lazy Gap Trader. Thanks for tuning in, folks.